This lecture covers giving and understanding directions in ASL. The signer always maintains their own orientation. Do not flip the signing space for the other person. Describe the map as you see it, as you visualize it from your own point of view. I'm going to describe the door numbers in this hallway. See if you are able to successfully flip the orientation as I sign. How did you do? Were you able to successfully flip the orientation? Are these the numbers that you expected to see? Now, let's apply the same principle to a grid map. Start with the assumption that you begin at the red dot facing north. I will use these signs to move around the grid. Check your comprehension and follow along. Next, let's practice referencing the different corners of an intersection. Use B hand shapes and non-manual markers to indicate the near corners, right and left, labeled L and K on the diagram. Use bent B hand shapes and different non-manual markers to indicate the far corners, labeled F and E. Now, let's put it all together. Watch me navigate around the grid, identify an intersection, and indicate which corner I'm referencing. In the following example, watch how my orientation changes as I turn the corner. Go straight to the next intersection. Take a left. At that intersection, the near right corner, that one. Now let's practice. See if you can follow me and determine which intersection and which corner I'm signing about. Now, what about locations that aren't on a corner? Navigate to the appropriate intersection. Then choose a location that is familiar to both of you as a reference point. From there, use the following signs to describe your location: next to, across from, behind, close to, etc., followed by a classifier to fix the place of the destination. We will be using this map to practice. Go straight 2 blocks. At that intersection, which is 2nd Street, on the far left corner is an apartment building. You know, that one, you take a left. And next to the apartment is a 7-Eleven. Go straight to the next intersection, which is 3rd Street. And at that intersection on the far right corner is the police station. Take a right. On the left side, next to the police station, is the post office. Yeah, right there. Go straight 3 blocks to 1st Street. You know that on the far right corner there's some parking? Take a right there. Once you turn on the left-hand side, next to the parking, you'll see a restaurant, Bistro 10. Consider how to give directions in your own neighborhood. Work with a partner to practice giving and understanding directions in ASL. Make sure you master this skill for your Unit 9 expressive video.